Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 Chevy 1500 that the customer came in and said that the dash is constantly dinging, low oil pressure, shut engine off. You can watch when you have the vehicle running, you can watch the oil pressure kind of jump around, and it does really drop all the way down to 5 pounds of pressure when you're sitting at idle, especially after the vehicle's up to operating temperature. With our experience, we've seen this in the past. It's not a very common thing, but once in a while the oil pump will wear out or won't be functioning as it should be, creating enough proper oil pressure in the vehicle. We advise the customer that we would recommend putting a new oil pump in, which is a little bit of an extensive procedure. You got to drop the oil pan and take the front timing cover off to get access to where the pump bolts on. You can see from the pictures here that there is quite a few things that need to be taken out of the way to get access to it, but at 3D Auto Repair, that's not anything that we would shy away from as far as getting the repair done. Put a new oil pump in, started the vehicle up. Oil pressure was back up to that 30 to 35 pounds of pressure the manufacturer recommends. We're very happy with the way it was performing. Got it up to temperature, drove it around quite a bit to make sure that we weren't getting any false readings. The customer came and picked it up and called back the next day, and they were very satisfied with the fact that that low oil pressure warning was off their dash and that everything was working correctly. The main thing here with that is not just getting the noise off or the warning off the dash, but the fact that making sure your engine has the proper oil pressure to maintain its lubrication so you don't have a premature failure of one of the assemblies inside of there, losing a rod bearing or a piston bearing, or maybe having a piston seized to the wall because it's not getting oiled correctly. So if you're having an issue with oil pressure, or maybe you've got some warning lights on the dash that are intermittent and you're not quite sure what to do, those are all something that we would be happy to diagnose for you. We do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.